Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hook up this ring bell to your wall. So the first thing you do is hook up the bracket on there, find the correct place to drill the hole, and then you hook up the two wires. It doesn't matter which way you need to hook up the wires. It's working correctly whichever way you put them. And what you do is that you put your ring bell here, and then you screw it down here with two safety screws that you have there. And so the wiring comes through the back through this little hole that I made. I need to clean this up a little bit better. And the wiring goes down through here, and they give you these little brackets that you can put on your wall to hold the wire correctly. I need to set that up right now. I put a third one, and the rest of the wiring, because they give you 16 feet of wire, goes up there. And then I bought the adapter that was $18 online. So it's a pretty easy setup. The harder setup was actually the wiring. Sorry, not the wiring, the app. Set it up and everything. But it's pretty flush against the wall, and you screw it in better. But yeah, the app and the setting up was the harder thing. But yeah, it works perfectly. The ring camera was about $100, but it's worth it. Unfortunately, we had a neighbor who got broken into, so I ended up buying this to keep our house a little safer. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.